Friends, colors play a vital role in defining the aesthetics and energy of a space. The combination of colors in the bedroom has a more powerful impact, so it is important to choose wisely and know the impact of different colors. The combination of colors can set the mood as vibrant, muted, calm, bold, passive, etc., whichever suits your best. So, you can choose from various options depending on what you want in life or your personality. Blue and pink. Blue and pale pink are good color painting ideas to combine and create a soothing two-color combination for bedroom walls. Light pink and light blue have the power to make you feel refreshed. The mild tones of pink make the room calming. If you are selecting darker shades of blue, then select light pink and not dark pink. Pale blue is a calming color and it is ideal for the bedroom to promote relaxation. Ensure that there is perfect balance between the neon pink and blue colors. Brighten up the pink wall behind the headrest by painting a huge mint blue circle. Use the same circular patterns on the opposite wall. Continuing the color across the wall ensures a cohesive and striking finish. Even patterns that feature blue, pink and other shades work well to make the room feel unified. 2. White and orange. Orange is a happy and uplifting color. Orange shades go well with white in the bedroom. From burnt orange to bold tangerine, there are endless ways to put the color to use. The softness and subtlety of white help to calm bright and bold orange colors. If using orange in your home decor is still a little intimidating, consider a lighter, softer orange with beige undertones to bring in a bit of color, without overwhelming the space. In a white bedroom, use orange only on the corner walls for a fresh but bold impact. 3. Navy blue and white. White and blue color combinations for the bedroom are two colors that complement each other beautifully to create a bedroom that is bright, fresh, airy, and soothing. This evergreen combination, two color combinations for bedroom walls 2025, can be incorporated in various ways in the bedroom. High gloss navy blue paint can add interesting depth and dimension to your bedroom decor. White walls will make your room appear larger than it is. White also provides a great palette for adding splashes of partly cloudy blue shades in the blue two-color combination for bedroom walls. Inclusion of a sheer white canopy bed will add to the romantic feel of the room. 4. Light blue and yellow. The blue and yellow combination wall paint in the bedroom is all about well-being, comfort and positive vibes. A splash of yellow is the best way to make a statement while still maintaining the overall neutral look in the bedroom. It is modern and just the right amount of bold to stand out. This bedroom two-color combination is perfect if you are looking for a fun and gorgeous theme. A soothing soft blue color combination for the bedroom adds an ethereal, dreamy quality, yet offering versatility, making it well suited for your bedroom. 5. White and cream. The combination of white and cream for bedroom walls creates a serene, inviting atmosphere that's both modern and timeless. White brings brightness and a sense of openness, while cream adds a warm, cozy touch, balancing the starkness of pure white. Together, they create a soft, neutral backdrop that can easily complement other colors and decor styles. This pairing is ideal for bedrooms, as it evokes calmness and simplicity, making the space feel tranquil and perfect for relaxation. 6. White and grey. White and grey make a chic, versatile color combination for bedroom walls, perfect for a modern or minimalist aesthetic. White brightens the room, while grey adds sophistication and depth, creating a balanced, calming environment. This duo works well with various decor styles, from industrial to contemporary, offering a neutral base that's easy to personalize with accent colors or textures. Soft furnishings in contrasting hues, like navy or blush, can bring warmth to the space, while metallic accents enhance its sleek appeal, making the bedroom both stylish and serene. 7. Pink and mint green. Pink and mint green offer a soft, refreshing combination that creates a calm and soothing atmosphere in the bedroom. The delicate pink adds warmth and a gentle touch of femininity, while mint green brings a fresh, rejuvenating vibe. Together, they evoke a peaceful, balanced environment perfect for relaxation and rest. This combination works well in both contemporary and vintage-inspired spaces, making the room feel light, airy, and welcoming. 8. Soft Grey and Lavender. Soft grey and lavender create a serene and sophisticated look, perfect for a relaxing bedroom ambience. The subtle grey adds a modern, neutral base, while lavender brings a gentle touch of color, enhancing the room's calming feel. This combination is ideal for bedrooms where peace and tranquility are priorities, balancing chic aesthetics with a restful atmosphere. 9. Coral and Navy Blue. Coral and navy blue make a captivating, balanced pairing for a bedroom. The vibrant coral adds warmth and liveliness, while navy blue brings a sense of depth and sophistication. This combination is perfect for a bedroom with a mix of elegance and personality, as the contrasting tones work together to create a vibrant yet sophisticated space. Thus, light blue and white bring a fresh, airy feel to any bedroom, evoking a serene coastal vibe. The gentle light blue adds just enough color without overwhelming, while white keeps the room looking open and spacious. This combination is perfect for bedrooms aiming for a clean, peaceful look, creating a tranquil space that promotes relaxation and calmness.